We have a somewhat risky environment that we've created because we are surrounded, our planet is surrounded by this cloud of space debris.
Thousands of objects, from tiny screws and bolts to dead satellites, encircle the Earth, transforming the space above us into a junkyard.
Collisions between these objects in space dramatically increase the number of fragments. In the past, some collisions have also actively been provoked by anti-satellite tests. Fragmentation starts as a locally limited event. But a few orbits and hours later, the pieces have spread along the orbit. This is caused by the different orbit altitudes induced by the explosion. Over a longer period, the orbital planes of the pieces disperse because of gravitational disturbance induced by the flattening of the Earth. Because of gravitational disturbance induced by the flattening of the Earth. Because of gravitational disturbance induced by the flattening of the Earth.
Bits of water, ice coming off, and other things. They make craters. They're zipping in at a high velocity.
Please consider the following. Why do people in the scientific community want you to wear a face mask?
Space debris. It's fucking space debris.
We are surrounded, our planet is surrounded by this cloud of space debris.
If you're wearing one of these, you're protecting yourself and those around.
Space debris. It's fucking space debris.
A visit to the International Space Station that after a crucial tool bag floated away during repair work.
There's a lot of
The bag drifted away from astronaut Heidi Marie Stephanischen-Piper as she cleaned and lubed a joint on a wing of one of the station's solar panels.
Bits of water, ice coming off, and other things. They make craters. They're zipping in at a high velocity.
Why do people in the scientific community want you to wear a face mask?
Space debris. It's fucking space debris.
Check this out. The International Space Station has apparently sprung a leak.
Yeah, at one point, one of the astronauts on board actually used his finger to plug the tiny hole. This is pretty incredible.
Space debris. It's fucking space debris.
If you're wearing one of these, you're protecting yourself and those around you. But the main reason we want you to wear a mask is to protect me. Buddy, this is a matter literally of life and death. And when I use the word literally, I mean literally.
Gosh.
But you got nominated. Thank you.
Yeah.
Gosh, you really are nerds. Bits of water, ice coming off, and other things. They make craters. They're zipping in at a high velocity.
Speaking of how, there are people running around in the United States or in the world on the electric internet thinking out loud, or whatever the expression is, that the earth might be flat. It's the, what?
Thousands of objects, from tiny screws and bolts.
Space debris. It's fucking space debris.